I bet I make you dance, but it's money in my pocket. Your heartbeat is safe, I got a key, I lock it. Yeah, she decker, she make me wanna get her. She tryna drop a love, but nah, I ain't gonna let her. She look gold digger, but she getting
up there, beautiful people. I am back and I'm still vlogging on the GoPro. You know why? Because I love it. Welcome back to the channel. You're now watching I Stay Josh, and today we are going to go get an alignment. I put on the 315/30/20s. It feels a little different, feels a little off. So it could be suspension, but I think it's alignment. So what I'm gonna do is, I haven't done an alignment in 4 to 5 years for maintenance. I wanna make sure that we're doing it right. One, I know we need an alignment because the tires, the last 3 tires I put on the rear have been wearing just on the inside, and we have about 80% meat left on the rest. So this time, sorry for the color change, I'm walking through the house. This time we are going to get in a line, and like I said, it's been 4 or 5 years. You still want to do it on maintenance. You don't have to do it every tire's change, but it's still good to do it some tire change. I got the fam in the video. All right, of course, I'm gonna have the family follow me out so we can do a drop off. She said there's 3 cars in front. I tell her, don't worry about the wait, we're about to go. So shout out to the tire shop for taking me same day. Let's jump in the car and get it started. Hey, shout out to the neighbors, but you know I gotta do that cold start. It's not really a cold start though, because we've already had it, but. Woo, that E85 smells amazing. Woo, that E85 smells so good. Ooh, turn that AC up, turn that AC up, turn that AC up. God damn. God, it's hot. Look at all this sweat already, come on. Bro, it's Africa hot in here. Woo! Let's get ready. I'm back at it like a crack at it. Yo, I'm so excited to be dropping this car off. You know what's one thing though? I never asked them how much it is for a an alignment, and you always should ask price. I never asked how much was for an alignment. That was like the dumbest thing I could possibly do by not getting a price. Oh, silly me, silly me. Damn, come on Josh, I should know better than that. I should have known better than that. That was a dumb move on my part, man. That was so stupid on my part. Anyways, let's jam out a little bit. It's pretty boy fool, better know where I'm flowing. Think I lost by Nike high, nigga, just do it. I'm a whole different breed, nigga. We ain't come growing. What you know about pain? You ain't never been through a road running. Let's see if we can find something a little cleaner. Let's see if we can find something a little cleaner.
One eternity later.
Hey, to y'all, it probably was a minute or 2, but to me, it was a day. A big shout out again to Tire South. Man, these guys do some great work. Did an amazing job on the car. And they're right across the street from freaking Summit Racing. So that's pretty dope in itself. I showed up yesterday to pick my car up and they were closed. I was like, they got my car. They got my car. Oh, hell no, they got my car. I started freaking out, right? Come to find out, this morning I walked in there huffing and puffing, talking about, hey man, y'all kept my car. What the hell? I didn't drop my car off to stay here. He said, hey, we did the alignment. We just didn't check the mufflers, right? The mufflers are making some noise. So that's something I want to, the mufflers aren't tight. So it's a little bit of rattle. And to me, it sounds cheap. So that's why, like, I don't like it and I definitely want to fix it. But I will do that in due time.
Center Church Road.
All right, so that's what needs to be done next. But the alignment is done. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Like, this thing has been riding like poop lately. So I want to get that fixed. I don't like it. I know they don't want me driving this way. Definitely say one way, but guess what? I don't care. Siri, shut up. I don't care. So across the street at Summit, there's something going on, man. And I got a ZL1 one that lean in front of me. There is Corvettes. There is a bunch of different cars. There's some like big show going on out here, man. So it's crazy to see like some other cars. Like there's so much cars. Like I'm telling y'all, there's so much cars. There's always so much stuff going on. This is crazy, but yeah, the car feels better. We did a four-wheel alignment for $90. Everybody else was charging 100 and this, 100 and that. Bro, this is dope. This is crazy. She feels better. I mean, I haven't took her in any corners yet, but she feels better. She feels different. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Look at this 1LE in front of me though. Yeah, that shit's dope.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't